Hello, everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to create the unique web page title generator template on Flowhunt. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. We'll start by adding the necessary components. First, we'll include the query expansion tool, which paraphrases input text into multiple alternative queries to enhance semantic search. To ensure our flow captures trending keywords, we need to access relevant data sources. We'll begin by adding the GoogleSearch tool, which will gather related data from the web to ensure the best results. Next, let's give our agent a clear prompt. We'll do this by adding the prompt component, where we'll craft a prompt that directs our LLM on its task. I'll share the prompt in the description below, and you can also see it on screen if you'd like to copy it. Feel free to customize and experiment with the prompt to suit your specific needs. Then, we'll connect our prompt component to a text generator so that our flow can generate text. Additionally, we'll add the LLM component and select a cost-effective model like GPT 3.5 Turbo, since our flow is not generating very complex sentences. And that's it! We've successfully created a unique web page title generator. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this flow, please don't hesitate to reach out or ask them in the comments section below.